Hey everyone, it's Jamie here from Shopify Masterclass, and in this video, I'll be going over how you can add any plugin to Shopify that's available on their App Store. Plugins are great because it's going to allow you to extend the functionality of your Shopify store in almost any way imaginable, as there are thousands and thousands of apps available on Shopify's approved App Store. They're going to let you do so many different things depending on what you're looking for. Before I dive into it, I just want to thank our sponsor ProfitCalc, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. It's going to allow you to skip your spreadsheets and understand the true profit of your Shopify store, as well as give you tons of detailed analytics so you can understand how your store is truly performing. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial. I'm also going to show a quick promo video.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover ProfitCalc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy-to-read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
So let's go over how you can add plugins to Shopify now. It's a pretty straightforward process. So once you're logged into the Shopify admin here, you just want to go to the left-hand side. There's going to be a section called Apps. Once you click that up, it's going to show you your installed apps here in a list. You can type to find different apps. You can also click recommended apps here. It's going to show you apps picked for you based on your behavior so far with your store. So these are going to be the recommended ones. And if you want to add these, you're simply going to click the add button. It's going to initiate the install process. And so Shopify's install process for plugins and apps is going to consist of 2 steps depending on if there is a paid plan. So the first step is going to be the install section here. And it's going to give you details on the app, what information they're going to be accessing from your store, what the app can do in your store. You can see this app here can edit customers, edit orders, edit other data, and edit product. And so if you're okay with those permissions, you click the install app button. If it is a paid app with no free plan, it's going to first ask you to accept a recurring charge. Or if there is a free plan, it's going to load the app here. This app Pocket is going to adjust a charge, but it's not necessary. If when you want to skip it, you can hit skip for now, as there is a free plan available to try things out. Now this may look like a small number of apps, as there are thousands of apps available. And to find those other apps, you can open up the Shopify App Store link at the bottom here. Alternatively, you can just Google Shopify App Store and that should come up first. And so once you load that, it's going to be Shopify's new app homepage here. In terms of finding apps, if you know the name or you know the category you're looking for, you can search it in the top bar here. Their homepage is also going to have quite a few pre-built categories. You can see apps popular with stores like yours, ones that are trending this December, as well as many more with different categories. Maybe you have an overall category and you're not sure of the app name. You can head to apps by category here. It's going to give you overall categories. Say you're looking for a drop shipping app, you could click onto that one there. Now, in terms of adding any of these to your store, you simply want to open up the app listing. Then you're going to get the add app button here. So by clicking this, it's going to initiate the install sequence. If you're not logged in, it's going to ask you for your Shopify store URL. So you can find this by copying and pasting from your Shopify store admin. So you can see masterclass-demo. It's going to be .myshopify.com. And so by clicking the add app button, it's going to load the install sequence. Now it is a little slow here on the Wi-Fi, but it is going to be the same process as it was previously shown to add apps to your store. Overall, a fairly quick process, as it can take just a few clicks to add any app to your app store. You then have to improve the install, and then you have to improve a reoccurring charge, one-time charge, or usage charge, depending on the Shopify app. But it's going to show that very quickly here. There's a free trial. It's also going to show things like that as well. So that's how you add plugins to your Shopify store. One last thing I'll note as well, is that if you're looking to remove any of these plugins and apps, what you have to do is head to the left-hand side of your admin dashboard. Go to settings, scroll down to apps and sales channels, and it's going to show you all the apps you now have installed. And to remove any of these apps, you simply want to click the remove button, give you an option to select feedback, and then by pressing delete, it's going to remove that app there. If you have any apps that have reoccurring charges, in order to cancel those charges, you're going to need to remove the app here, as this will cancel it with Shopify billing. Just about every app available on the Shopify App Store is going to be done through Shopify's own billing system. The application charges are going to be included in your monthly plan for your Shopify store. This is easier for merchants, as rather than having to be billed directly from the app, you can be billed all at once in your Shopify plan. This is going to conclude the video here on how to add plugins to your Shopify store. If you enjoyed the video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Lastly, I want to mention ProfitCalc one more time. The one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. It comes with a 15-day free trial, so you can test drive everything for yourself. And there's a link in the description below to access that trial there. And yes, you'll be going through the Shopify App Store listing, following the process in this video to install ProfitCalc. So this concludes the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next one.